a snack so bright and sweet. A yellow banana, what a treat! I placed it neatly on my plate. To eat it soon, I couldn't wait. But oh my gosh, what did I see? It wiggled once and winked at me. Before I knew it made a dash, rolling fast in quite a flash. Run, run, yellow and fast, banana zooms right past. Silly snack, don't delay, come on back, don't run away. It bounced and jumped across the floor, rolled right out the kitchen door, down the hall and up the stair. That sneaky fruit went everywhere. I chased it left, I chased it right, but that banana had some might. Through the garden, past the swing, why can't I catch this wiggly thing? And splat, it slipped upon a peel, flipping high like a spinning wheel. I grabbed it quick, held it tight, gotcha now, no more flight. I took a bite, oh what bliss. A yummy snack just couldn't miss. From that day I always said,